Hi guys, so right now I have a quick haul, kind of quick. It's just a few different things I picked up, I think, loosely at Hobby Lobby. It was just like one thing I forgot to show the other day, or a couple things, and Joann, and I got in an auto ship from Crafter's Companion through HSN, right? Something I was in, so I'll show you guys that. I think it's the banner one, the banner sentiments, and then some stuff I picked up at Amazon. So I'll have links, affiliate links in the description box for some of those items, and that would mean that would make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Oh, having mentioned that, I just got in, excuse me, I'm tripping all over my words. I was going to say, speaking of affiliate links, I just got in some items from Local King Rubber Stamp, and a company, you know, I had always seen like the scrapbook expos and things like that. I think they would be at the... Oh, what was that company called? Something Creations. I don't remember. It used to be a magazine, and they would have their own expos, and that was a lot of fun. But anyway, and when the pandemic started, I had contacted them because I was like looking for things to do and to show you guys maybe some different things, and then some smaller companies maybe that might not be doing the expo circuit, right, because of all the closures and things. And so I was able to show you some of the new items and the things I had in my stash I was playing with, but they came out with some new items. Of course, I think they do it like in the spring and fall, or, you know, a couple times a year. So she did send me some of those newer items, and I selected some other items that are already in their catalog, and now I have an affiliate link with them, so that'll be in the description box, and it'll always just be there with my generic links. If you click it, whatever you know, look at there. It's great. A lot of times I have very specific links for certain items, and that's just another type of link. But so right now I just have the generic one, and I'll certainly show you those very soon. So oh my goodness. Well, I was gonna say they just came in yesterday, and my words like melted together. Anyway, really quickly, what I'm showing you here is I'm making a video on knitting, and I haven't done that in a long time. And to be honest, I haven't knit in like probably over 10 years. I remember I was making a sweater for Dorian, and he's gonna be 14 in June, or sorry, July. Miranda's June, he's July. They're only like a week's apart. But anyway, well, they're years apart, but a week in like the birthday kind of thing. Just over a week. And it was just like riding a bike. I didn't have to look anything up. I just started, and this is basically going to be a leg warmer, which I know it's almost summer, but these kind of things, this honestly has only taken me a couple sessions to even get this long. I'm just going to add a little bit more and then make the second one so I can finish up the video so you would see them both, not just that I made one. That's the hardest thing when you're making things like this that come in pairs, is like getting the gumption to do the second one. But anyway, so this has really inspired me. I haven't, like I said, knit in a long time, and it was just so much fun just to get right, like riding a bike, I'm telling you. I just was in it. So anyway, you'll have some videos on that, but having said that, some of the things I'm going to show you right now having to do with that kind of thing. Oh, real quick, just the other day at Hobby Lobby, they had like their spring stuff 40 or 50% off. Now this is super cute. You think, oh, that's for Miranda, but really what I'm going to do is put yarn in here, because of all these different holes, you can have your little yarn, and probably put it like in one of these where it's smoother, and it will just hold yarn like really cute while you're working. And I was looking for something like this on Amazon, and they were like so expensive. So the best way to find like these little totes is to buy, like, this one happens to be a tea set, but a lot of times it happens to be like a set that you're gonna take to the beach, like beach toys and things like that. But if you want to buy just a little bag that looks like this, I'm like, what are they? I don't know if they're getting it from, because they're not typical here, you know. You see things like this like in Mexico and other places a lot, and I guess they bring them in. I have no idea, but if you want something like this, like $20 just by itself, it's like, why? So this was $6 or whatever it was on sale. I got a purple one too. And then just real quick, I just want to show you. So I'll give Miranda obviously the little toys. I don't even know that she wants these, to be honest. I'll probably just put them in a cute little bag and put them in the Goodwill stuff. But cherry mash, so good. I think I've shown you guys this. This is just a sugar bomb, but I don't pick them up very often for that reason, but they're so good. They just remind me of when I was a little kid. I don't even think we ate those when I was a kid, but we ate something similar to that. And then the 3-color coconut, of course. I already ate several of these whenever I go by there. I can see if they have them on Amazon so I can order them in bulk. Anyway, all right, Joann, right quick. Oh, they had a ton of weird kind of yarn skeins that look like this on clearance. I guess they're like $3-4 depending on the style. Like this one's a little bit chunkier. They had some smaller ones. I'm assuming it's a variegated yarn. I don't think it stops, but the whole point is that it's tangle-free, quick start, which is not the biggest deal. Like with the other skeins, you just stick your finger in the, pull out the center, you know. But I thought it was interesting. I had never seen these. I like the little project they have. It says it's a 3-hour project, and I'm sure it is, you know, because it's bulkier. But I did grab 2 in case I want to do something. Generally, I pick up yarns in 2s. You never know when you need that little extra you know, even for like a small project or like, you know, leg warmers, something you need 2 of. Maybe you want to start again and you want the same striping, so you need 2 so you can start like in the same place or whatever. So we have that. Oh, they did have a bunch of Bo Bunny stuff on clearance also. I did pick up this creative crochet book. It is super cute. They don't allow coupons anymore on magazines, which is a bummer. They used to do that on magazines and books. You could use your 40% off if you wanted, you know, that kind of thing. But this was really cute. I liked a lot of the things that are in here. And so, you know, just for some inspo, okay, that's interesting. But look at the little amigurumi animals. I hope I said that right. I made them a long time. Like, is it amigurumi? I think that's what they call it when they make little animals. Crocheted balloons. That's interesting. Aw. That is so cute. So anyway, and then this one, crochet slippers, animal slippers for the whole family. So Miranda and Dorian, I would make them hats that have like funny things like unicorns or animals or whatever when they were little. But what I like about this is that it is for the whole family and it's slippers, so it's, you know, something you're just gonna wear here at home, and then they show you how to adapt them for different styles, so that's fun. This is the Bo Bunny stuff and some other things I grabbed. And I'm actually just going to leave them here because I need to use them. So look at these little candy dots. How cute are these? They were a couple bucks on clearance. So I grabbed all that they had left because they are very small and petite and adorable, and I'm sure we'll just use them up. And then these little hearts, little puff heart stickers that are also very cute. Very pretty colors. I love the subdued look of those. Yeah, I was going to say, I think I had 4 of these. And then these little stickers, again, just little things you pop here and there. These are more like travel related. It says round trip, as you can see by the little bits here, but super cute. And then just some stamps for like texture and fun, you know. And then I was like, did I already pick this one up? I know I had picked up one of their stamps at the end of last year. I'll have to check. I hope it's not that one. And then just some ephemera. I thought these were really cute. I like the little stickers and things. So again, just leave them out where I see them so I'll remember to use them. And then I grabbed these. These weren't on sale or anything, but I was like, you know, I've been doing a lot of heat embossing, and then most of the time I use clear or black powder. So black hologram and New Year's Eve. My only problem with this is that it's still a little chunky. Usually it's like ultra fine. I mean, I can still see chunks, so I don't know how well that's going to actually heat emboss. I don't know if like those bits of glitter actually melt down or if they're just there, but hopefully it holds on to it as well, I'm trying to say. You never know. So let's put it over here. What else did I grab at Joann? Oh, I just stopped in there because I needed one thing. And honestly, they have their like 30% off if you buy online and pick up in store, and like that's the way to go. Because I mean, 30% off, they always have it, like 25 to 30% off. It's very hard to get a coupon that's 25% off or something like that in store. They only do that every once in a while. But that's not my favorite thing to do, you know? Because especially with yarns, like I want to see it. But I did get, you know, like this coupon, and it's going to be 25% off in store also. So sorry, I was misspeaking. I was like, oh, they did give me this coupon, which is good for in store. But no, again, 25% off online and pick up in store. And it's like, so, ugh, I don't like that. But there's a 50% off coupon on there, so that's good. Anyway, so their Lion brand yarns are on sale, I think 20% off. So you could get an extra 25, 30, whatever it is that they're offering right now. I think they're offering 30 off sale and regular price items. So I mean, it's worth doing, right? But we have Pound of Love, and this is just, you know, some inexpensive yarn. I love this color. I think it's so pretty. And this one was next to it, and I'm like, they look so pretty together. So maybe I'll do some kind of blanket thing with maybe like an accent beige kind of color. I don't know. Pick these guys up. This one's called Heartland. They do have this in variegated colors. Obviously, Pound of Love, they also have in variegated colors, I believe. But this one is 100% acrylic. It feels like it. It's called Kobuk Valley. This one's really pretty. I love the purple. I don't know if it's coming through. It looks a little bit dark on the camera. Let me move these guys out of the way. Yeah, it's a little better. Yeah, there you go. So pretty. It's a little more plummy in real life. Like right now it looks very purple there, but in real life it's a little, I don't know, has like a little burgundy tone kind of to it almost. Are those different things, burgundy and plummy? But anyway, it's just a softer color, like a dustier color. And then it must have been in this color palette, because look how pretty this is. I don't think this was on sale. Yeah, this is Burnout, but I only grabbed one, just something to try out. I think I had a 40% off coupon, so it probably came off of this. Pretty stuff. And it is also probably, I'm sure it's acrylic. It's called Rose Hip, the color. And it's a size 6. Oh, polyester. Interesting. I don't know that I bought polyester cottons before. And then this one, the True Boo. I always want to call it Taboo. It's True Boo, and this is so pretty. So it's 100% rayon from bamboo, and it's a very lightweight yarn. And it's so pretty. Well, I guess not very, because it's a 3. A very lightweight would be like a 1. But it feels so nice. And I think they had this stuff at Walmart too before, so hopefully they still carry it there. Maybe it's a better price. I don't know. One thing from Amazon, and then we'll look at the Crafter's Companion banner thing. I haven't opened this box. Let me open both of these boxes. I'll be right back. Cool. Okay, so these are the ones from Amazon. Now, I'm pretty particular with circular needles, like the ones you saw on that leg warmer is Takumi brand or Clover brand, the Takumi line, but something like this, I do not care. These are basically the kind that you might get free when you order, you know, or you have a magazine, and sometimes they come with like a free set of something or other, of knitting needles. And these are bamboo, and these are so pretty already. These are 9-inch, which is a nice size. If you're a new, like a beginner, you're probably not going to make huge projects right away. So these are really great from Amazon. Some of the reviews were like, oh, they arrived broken, or I can't believe how thin these are. Yeah, they're gonna be thin if they're, you know, for a very thin yarn. Like, I don't know what people expect. So this is a size 2.25 millimeter, and this one is, you know, smaller than that. I can't even read it. 2.0, I think, millimeter. Yeah, they're gonna be very thin feeling. Now, I don't normally work with something like this, so I don't care about these. They were inexpensive, and really what I want is like these thicker ones, probably from a size 8, US 8, 5.0, or maybe 4, but these guys, I mean, they feel great. I don't see how people are going to complain that something feels thin when it's like, yeah, they have to be thin. Maybe they want them to feel more rigid, and if that's the case, then maybe you need a different kind of wood. But bamboo is pretty sturdy. You know, they feel nice and light. They feel pretty. They don't feel like they're going to hold on to my yarn, you know what I'm saying, like gouge the yarn, because sometimes they might have like burrs or something if they're not well made. But these are really cute. I love the look of these. Look at that, how cute. And I'm sorry, I don't know from what size to what size, but I'll have the link there in the description box. But yeah, like, how dare they make these thin ones? Like, that's a size in knitting, I don't know what to tell you. And then this one are 14-inch needles. And one of the Amazon reviews on this is that they are comically long. It's like, yeah, they're 14-inch needles. Like, are people just not reading the descriptions? I don't understand. Like, if you have a small project, yes, you're gonna do it on something like this, or even like a smaller, right? Smaller needles, like 6 inches or whatever. I mean, they come in tons of different sizes. 9-inch for me is the typical size that I would like to use if I'm knitting up something that's flat. And then, you know, even if something's longer than this, you crunch it up on here, right? It'll stay on here. It'll just be like squeezed in, right? Like even this, if I've stretched it out, I can stretch it out, which I do when I actually go to knit. But you would just crunch it up like this, right? The project will fit plenty of space if you don't like big 14-inch needles. But if you're knitting things that are larger and you need something larger, well, you know. This one came with a case, which I forgot about, and that's cute. It has a little pocket on the outside. Feels like it might be wrapped in plastic on the inside or something. It's really, really cute. I love having this. And maybe I should have paid for this one. Again, I just went for inexpensive because I have plenty of yarn totes where I can pop these in something else. But it would have been nice. And a lot of people were saying they were looking for needle case, and it was cheaper to buy this case with the needles it comes with, or with the, well, yeah, the needles, than just buying a case, which I thought was kind of funny. But anyway, so this one has plenty of pockets, and I figured maybe I can put these in here. They're just going to be jumbled around, though. That's the only thing, but it looks like it's going to be that way anyway, because like even these guys don't have like individual spaces, but you do have these spaces. And then at the top, you know, you put it in, and then you can cover the tops of them. So that's cute. It comes with some extra stuff. Necessary things, I think, if you're a beginner and you don't have a lot of these things. And then these are these guys. And I chose the brown color in this. And I know I'm always like mixing matchy, wishy-washy about stuff. I just ordered another set of circulars just to try them out that are less expensive than like my Takumis. And they had different like colorways, like, okay, these are all this color, these are all this color, but they were like wooden and they were really pretty, like rainbow. And then they had a set that was like a mix of all the colors they make. I'm like, that one. Which I know some people were like, no, I just wanted this, or I just want that. Like these guys, I could have got these in the brown color, but I don't know why. I just chose the bamboo color. And again, you know, it's gonna have some really skinny ones, and this one's 3mm. They feel pretty sturdy. Again, I probably wouldn't make a huge project that takes these little skinny guys, but they're there. I mean, this one is broken, I guess. They had said the actual stick was broken, and they showed it. It was broken. This one, the little ball came off the end, which I guess you can just glue back on. But to me, those are not anything I care about. Like all these little skinny ones, I'll have them. Obviously, they're here, but nothing I would use. But yeah, you definitely need something larger if you're making larger items. So yes, they're comically long. They are 14-inch, just like the description said. So those are those. Let me put these to the side, and I will... these are also bamboo, it's just that they're brown. I'll be right back. So this, I don't know if this is the last or close to being the last of this, or I need to go check and see what the next ones are. This is the banner sentiment dies, remember? So if you got on the Autoship, you have the initial big plates. You have 2 big die plates that cut this for you, and then they just kind of tossed everything in here. And this is, oh, I forgot which one this was. What it's called. Let me see. Oh, the packaging letter says nothing. It just says a product number. Well, let's check it out. Well, actually, we'll figure that out real quick here. And maybe on the special friends. There you go. So you are wonderful, which is nice because that's a sentiment on its own. I know you have to pair these a lot of times with the dies that come with it. So you have friend, person, best, obviously person, you have to pair it with something else from the dies. Friend, make the world a better place. There is no gift as precious as a, and then whatever is in the dies. Birthday, special to me for an amazing moment. So I will definitely do a tutorial on these guys. This is the colorway here. Well, let's look at the card blanks. Let's push these down. Cute colorway, I like it. I like white cards. Again, these are 4x6, which are supposed to be A4. Like a really nice coral, a mint color, and like an off-white, kind of creamy color there. I would say it's more of a cream color, not just off-white. And then the matching envelopes that are exactly the same colors, which is really nice. Oh, let's look at the dies to see what the words are that complete this. I was gonna say it's probably friend, right? Friends and special. So special friend, I guess. It is interesting. It says friends with an S, and I wonder if you're supposed to cut off the S if it doesn't make sense, right? Just another way. Friends make the world a better place. You know, special friends. You might cut that off. I don't know. Hello, friends, right? So I think you're supposed to do something with that to make it grammatically correct, I suppose. Nice size. Baker's twine and satin ribbon. And they are very pretty. I don't know, again, you know, I guess one of these could have been white instead of a deeper coral, but it matches. In my opinion, these are matched. Sometimes you'll get something that's like, oh, this is way out. They're very pretty, a deeper coral, and then more of a pink, and then that creamy kind of off-white. And this one is more of a white with the coral, but again with the raspberry and the mint color. It's a little different. And then, oh yeah, it always comes with some cards, and this is just kind of, I would say maybe, I don't know, 60-pound cardstock. Like, it's not printer paper, but it's not like 85-pound cardstock or anything heavier than that. And then the pretty papers. So I do like this colorway, very, very pretty. But that does remind me I need to go check and see what else is supposed to arrive and see if I want to skip it or cancel the auto ship at this point. But I figured I was already all in. It wasn't inexpensive to start with, so I just wanted to get the auto ships, you know, and just complete the set, especially because you have that big plate, those big plates that cut specifically these things, you know. But anyway, very cool. All right, well, I will continue knitting. I'll have some videos. I will start the Local King videos very soon. I don't know how soon because obviously I have Spellbinders videos I need to start launching like on the 5th and 6th for the club kits, and then also the craft days coming up, so I have tons of die and press videos to release, but just keep an eye out. But for now, I will link it there, and I'll see you all at the next one. All right, bye now.